Hi, my favorite people. I'm Willow. I'm here with DBD. Yeah, that's Dad Bod Derek. Lose some weight and you can get a new nickname, Princess. Welcome to Willow's Timeless Decor, where an average guy with mediocre skills takes my advice to make amazing home decor and repurpose projects. Let's get started. So I found this cute little metal thingy in the trash can of an estate sale. It's like, oh my God, who would throw this away with these cute little scrolly legs? What should we do? Well, let's make a table out of it. So we're gonna cut that. Oh yeah, breathe in the dust, stupid. Where's your dust mask? Oh my God. Strike a pose, Madonna. Now we're gonna check for the fit. Oh, it fits perfectly. Thumbs up, Fonzie. Now we're gonna use a really strong carbide bit so we can screw it really securely to the base. Oh, get it, yeah. We're going to use some old, naturally aged, weathered, rustic boards for the top. We're just marking a line and scribing it so that we can cut these to length. Next, we're going to take our boards. We're going to put them on our workbench. And we're going to put them nice, jiggle, jiggle, get them nice and straight. Then we're going to take the top, lay it there. We're going to measure it, get it perfectly centered so we can draw a line around it so we know exactly where to put our center mounting board. Now we're going to cut the boards to width. Oh my God, this is all so scary. Watch your fingers, dum-dum. With the boards moronically cut to both length and width, we're going to get ready to glue it all up so it's nice and strong. Oh, get all messy with that glue. Squeeze it out. Get it, DBD. Now we're going to take the nail gun and we're going to nail it down. Get it? Yeah. This is my favorite thing. Bang, bang, pow. Squeeze lots more glue onto the center mounting board so we can get it mounted firmly in place. Okay, getting a little bored here. Okay, now we have it. We're going to put that directly in the center and we're going to nail that one down too. Bam. Pow, yeah! We used a glue bottle and some old paint cans to trace an old 18th century lantern shape. I'm getting excited. It's gonna look so good. Now it's time to cut it out. Using a jigsaw that DBD got for free next to a dead carpenter on a job site, he carefully goes around it. Oh, stay within the lines. Remember second grade, dum-dum. You can do this, and here we go! Boom! There's our final product. OMG, DBD, it looks so good! We're going to take it outside for this next step because it's so loud and messy. Sorry, neighbors. We're going to use a double Roman OG bit to juxtapose that classic look with a rustic look. Oh, nice background. Serious? Ew. Then we take the piece back inside to sand out any of the imperfections caused by the router. Look how fast his hands are going. Amazing. Little bit more sanding. Oh, someone in the background. Hi, it's a family affair. We're going to use some Danish oil now to put a stain on it to really bring out some of those naturally rustic properties of it and also to give it a good fit. Oh, what's that? A rat? Oh, it's just a dog. Using a random orbital sander and 220 grit sandpaper, I'm going to sand it down to give it a rustic look, bring out some of those properties and make it look old and weathered. Finally, I'm going to put on a matte urethane finish in case somebody wanted to use it to put their wine or whiskey glasses on so it won't stain up in case there's a spillage. And here's the final product. It looks amazing. Good job, Sugar Cup. If you can tolerate DBD's jiggling belly, please hit like and subscribe so you can see more of our projects. This has been Willow from Willow's Timeless Decor.